So I saw this trend where the girls are using blush as bronzer. And for some odd reason, I want to try it. Technically, my face is already prepped and ready to go. I'm going to start out with foundation, and I don't know which one I want to use yet. Let me see if this is still going to work for me. This is the Milk Grip Gel Tint, and I think this is my winter shade. I don't know. Let me blend it out first. It don't look bad. Come on, y'all. No. I'm just gonna switch to this instead. This is the Maybelline Illumi Matte Foundation. It's on my pants. Oh, wow. And now for the reason why we're here. I wanted to use a blush that was kind of bronzy, but still gave blush. I'm going in with this Juvia's Place liquid blush. I know that's not like the name of it, but spare me, please. This is in the shade Coral Rose. I'm nervous. I'm just gonna. I don't know about this. Let's blend it out. Okay. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea for me. Look at my forehead, bruh. There are two possibilities here. Follow me. Either I need to try a more bronzy looking blush or a darker blush that gives bronze and blush at the same time. Or maybe it was a mistake trying this trend. And because I'm feeling a little delulu,
Are you okay?
I'm gonna go with the first one. It don't look bad. I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer under my eyes because I look like I don't get enough sleep. I don't, but I don't want to look like it. This is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Honey. This is the final look. Could this actually work? Hey, bye, Bookie.